Did you know that nearly 70% of AI projects never reach production? Building an AI-powered prototype is the easy part. Turning it into a production-ready application is where the real challenge begins. The prototype works. Internal testing looks promising. Stakeholders are impressed. But as teams prepare for production, hidden engineering gaps begin to surface. Most AI initiatives don't stall because the model fails. They stall because production demands more than a working demo. Teams start uncovering security and access control gaps, complex integrations, scalability and performance challenges, missing governance for long-term reliability. Without structured engineering, governance, and clear ownership, even the most promising AI projects struggle to scale. Production readiness is about more than deploying software. It's about building applications that are reliable, secure, maintainable, and ready for long-term growth. AI builds the prototype. Production engineering builds the product. Ready to move from prototype to production? Schedule your production readiness review with Value Coders.